Welcome to a Ben 10 Alien Force toy review. This is my very first one for Alien Force. I'm doing Ben because the figure comes with a hoverboard. You can fit onto your Hot Wheels tracks or the Volgax ship, whatever you want. Comes with a collectible card. Here's Ben. Very cool, isn't it? Ben and the Omnitrix. And it comes with the figure. The figure is very well detailed in his jacket and the Omnitrix in his wrist. He has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 points of articulation. He is compatible with the Volgax ship, like his hoverboard. And side note, the wheels on Ben's hoverboard are removable. See? Just like that. You can put them in the Volgax ship or Kevin Levin's Action Cruiser, which are very neat. And these screws all together. It's very nicely detailed. The next figure review I'm going to be doing will be Swampfire, and so on. So please subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you.